Kelly from Newline. So we have a new update on our Q Pro panel that may impact how you interact with your whiteboard. So I just want to make sure you're very comfortable with the changes and how you can make it operate how you want it to operate. So you can see behind me in my whiteboard, I've imported a PDF and I've imported a photo. We are used to being able to just write right on top of those objects. And with the new update, something's changed. So as you start to write on things, you might notice things moving rather than you actually writing on them. Option number one, start off in the border and then continue to write on top of it. That's option one, obviously not ideal. Your other option is to use your lasso tool. So with your lasso tool, you can tap on an object and lock it into place. When you lock that object into place, you can now write on top of the object wherever it is you want to do that. So another option, which is a little more permanent of an option, is to use your settings menu. Down here where the little gear tool is, tap on your settings menu, and this new writing and moving objects is automatically toggled on. My suggestion is to toggle that off, and once you do that, and then you're back in your writing tools, you're going to be able to write on things even though they are not locked. So it will operate as you are used to. There might be some other fun things to check out and take a look for with that new whiteboard update, so don't forget to play around and have fun.